Let's take a look at how we would create a mass email inside of Classroom 360. Remember that when you're trying to access Classroom 360, that it's best to go from your WSD bookmarks and link from there, or to go from the district website and link from there. So I'm inside of Classroom 360 in a fake instance of it, and you'll notice that at the very top, I have a mass email button. So I'm going to click on this mass email button. When I click on the mass email button, it will ask me to select the classes that I want to create the email for. So I can select multiple classes if I want, or if I just want to select a particular class. So I'm going to select just period 6 for this particular email, and then I'm going to click next. It's going to bring up a box and allow me to select the recipients on here. So if you notice in the yellow, this is the area that I want to focus on for selecting my recipients. So the first one is including students. So do I want to include the students in this? I do. And I get the option with my students to CC them or BCC them. I'm going to go ahead and CC them. Then I get the option to add household parents. The only option that it gives me is to BCC, which is actually a good thing. And I can do the same with the non-residential parents. I can also decide if I want to send an email to the class teachers or co-teachers, and if I want to include all, even if I didn't request mailing. Okay. Once I have my recipient selected, I'm going to go ahead and click the next button. You can always go back and change the recipients, but it puts it to you first so that you can have who the email is going to. And then it will actually have the body of your email ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my subject. I can decide if I want to create a communication log entry for this. So I'm going to go ahead and check yes. And then you'll notice that it looks like a rich text editor where I can add anything that I want to add into the body of my email, as well as adding attachments, adding images, or adding video as well. My head's in a little bit in the way, so I'm going to move that up a little bit so that you can see down at the bottom, it also has the ability to add attachments. So if you needed to add more directions or a flyer or something, you're able to add those attachments there. And once you're happy with your email, you can go ahead and send email, and that will mass email all of your students and the other people that you selected to receive that email.